What is a car who has a 6-liter twin-turbo W12 engine? Well, there it is. This is a Bentley Continental GT. Here we go. So that's the first time for me driving this particular model. As you can see, it's really good shape. There is only one imperfection. Just look at it there. So as you can see, this little aluminum plastic piece is not in the car. But look at this interior. Oh my god, look at this. Beautiful orange leather interior, beautiful wood trims, as you can see, beautiful. Really beautiful car. So the key is like Porsches. You have to insert it like this, and then the ignition. Just don't forget to put your foot on the brake. Oh man. Don't worry about, you know, whinings and other things, because the battery has been changed on this car. Well, let's put in drive and just enjoy the silence of this beauty. Oh my god, W12 engine, just incredible. So silent and smooth. This interior is just a masterpiece, as you can see. Lots of wood, lots of leather. The build quality is just awesome on this car. Everything looks good. The car rides incredible. Just need to put some gas. But, you know, just incredible. Just enjoy the sounds. And it has 560 brake horsepower on this. Just incredible for such a 2004 coupe like this one. Just incredible. So much powerful. But the insurance with this, that's another story. Definitely, that's another story. But what a pleasure to drive one of these. So we're gonna make some acceleration passes later in the video. What the heck? Just accelerate a little bit. Oh my god. It's not a car, it's just a plane. It's a plane. Oh my god. And the beautiful thing in this car is this Breitling watch. Real Breitling watch. Heated seats, of course, you can expect in Bentley. And I really like this. I don't know, it's metal or aluminum, but it's really high quality. Airbags everywhere, of course. And you have also wood trims right here. You know, it just means that the build quality in this car is just awesome. It's definitely like Rolls-Royce, or, you know, but this car is just absolutely amazing. So under the armrest you have some storage compartments, as you can see. I think this is the ashtray and the power outlet, 12 volts. It has a power tilt and telescopic steering column, and also pedals on the steering wheel, so you can pass your gears very smoothly and very fast. So, trip computer, as you can see, navigation, on and off of the system, traffic information, help, system setup, vehicle options, as you can see, tire pressure monitoring system, multi-zone for the climate control, as of course dual zone automatic. I think right here this is for maybe the airflow. So you have a lot of options, and also in this car you have a very good size trunk also, so you can go for trips with your luggage in the back. So don't worry about, you know, making yourself good in this car. It's very nice for long trips also, but the fuel consumption, oh my god, just sucks a lot more. So a little bit of acceleration. Oh my god, oh man, acceleration just amazing on this car. Oh my god. I was like to 30 to 80 miles per hour because this car is actually American imported model, as you can see. I think this is an American, but you have miles per hour and kilometers just right here. Man, the acceleration just amazing. Oh my god. But you know, it's at low speeds and good speed like this, just amazing. Just appreciate the silence of the interior, the good sound of the W12 engine. And this engine also equipped the Volkswagen Phaeton and maybe other models from Volkswagen, I think. Or I don't know if this is the VW engine or Bentley or Rolls-Royce engine, I don't know. But I know from the interior that Bentley's was using some parts from VW, for example the steering wheel, the keys as you can see, and the turn signal and the wiper stalk, and also the sounds of the indicators. So, and I think also the gearbox, as you can see, it looks like the Triptronic gearbox design. Sport mode. So the gears, the car should go higher on the revs, as you can see. As you can see, very fast gear shifts. Very nice. I'm like 100 kilometers right now. As you can see, drives very smooth. Just incredible. Just incredible how this car rides. It's very pleasant. And the interior is really in good shape, as you can see. Has beautiful leather. The wood trims are very good. And there is no options or maybe something in the car that is broken, so it's really good. It has a little bit of battery failure. I don't know, because I was struggling to put the key inside, and you know, the time that the car recognized the key, I don't know, that's the battery or I think something else, I don't know. It's early in the morning, 8 AM. Everything's going to work on Thursday. Very nice. And driving cars from my work just before going to work, inside my garage. What else? Beautiful car also. Beautiful BMW E92. Really love this car. I drove one of these 2 years earlier. Very good car. But this is definitely another level of luxury, pleasure, and driving experience. See, this beautiful Range Rover just behind me. Beautiful. Range Rover Sport, yes. Beautiful. So pleasant to drive one of these, because when you look around, there's Citroens, Toyotas, Renaults. Just want to race with me? Very bad idea. Because this one I think is as the V6 diesel, but man, when I have this, you know, this kind of W12 engine, I don't know if he can race with me. I don't know, it's a very bad idea. Beautiful. It has also very good engine braking, so you don't have to, you know, brakes a lot to make the car slowing down. Yes, that's definitely a VW parts using here, because I recognize them, the sounds of the indicators. Well, this was my first time driving a Bentley. Next time maybe Rolls-Royce? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe a Rolls-Royce. I don't know.